Hi, this is Abhimanyu from AI Library. In this video, we're going to talk about how to sync Google Sheets for capturing your conversations between the agent and the customer into your respective Google Sheets. Once you're logged in into the AI Library platform and have accessed the agent, what you need to do is simply go on the conversations. Once you have accessed the conversation from the left navigation bar, click on the triple dot on the right corner and you will see a menu where you will see download, sort by date, sort by completion, and sync Google Sheets. Sync Google Sheets is what you would click. It'll ask you to choose an account. If you click that, it'll ask for necessary permissions. Your Google Sheets have been synced. Now, if you want to visit it, you go to the overview page, click on Google Sheets, and it'll take you to the Google Sheets where the data has been stored. There you go.